The CEO of Microsoft AI just put a countdown timer on your career. His name is Mustafa Suleyman. He runs artificial intelligence at the second most valuable company on earth. He co-founded DeepMind. This is not a random influencer chasing view. This is one of the most powerful people in the AI on the planet. And in an interview with the Financial Times, he said this: white collar work where you are sitting down at a computer, either being a lawyer or an accountant or a project manager or a marketing person, most of those tasks will be fully automated by an AI within the next 12 to 18 months. 12 to 18 months, not years, months. Now, think about what India actually is. India is a white collar capital of world. 5 million IT employees, the entire BPO industry, accounting back offices, legal process outsourcing, customer support for half of the Fortune 500. Our economy is built on exactly the work Suleiman just put an expiry date on. So before you panic and there is a reason for concern, I am going to do what most channels won't. I will show you why he might be right, then show you the evidence that says he might be completely wrong. Because the truth lives in the gap between those two things, and that gap is where your career actually sits. Stay till the end. The last part decides whether the next 18 months happen to you or for you. First, why he might be right. His argument isn't emotional, it's mathematical. He points to one thing: the exponential growth in computing power. As compute scales, AI gets better at every task humans do on a computer. And the rate isn't linear, it's exponential. So the jump from AI helps you write an email to AI does the whole job arrives faster than human intuition expects. And he is not alone. Anthropic CEO Dario warned AI could wipe out half of the all entry-level white-collar jobs. Ford CEO said AI would cut white-collar jobs in America in half. A survey of 900 US executives found 60% agree with Suleiman. This is not one man's hot take, it's a chorus. The people building the technology and the people deploying it are saying the same thing. The office job is on a clock. For India, that's not a Silicon Valley debate. That's the foundation of our middle class being questioned out loud by the people who own the technology. That's the scary half. Now the other half, the part almost nobody covering this quote will tell you. Because when researchers went looking for the evidences behind the 18 months timeline, they didn't find it. An MIT study found that 95% of enterprise AI deployments had no measurable impact on profit and loss. 95% companies spent the money, deployed the tools, and the bottom line didn't move. A PwC report found 55% of CEOs saw no benefit from deploying AI tools. And the most damning, a METR study on real software developers found AI made their tasks take 20% longer. The very thing AI is supposed to be the best at, coding, slowed experienced developer down in an control study. So hold two things in your head at once. The CEO of Microsoft AI says white collar work is gone in 18 months. The actual data says AI hasn't even moved the profit needle for 95% of companies yet. Both are true right now, and the gap between them is the most important thing in this entire conversation. So why would Suleiman say something the evidence doesn't fully support? The honest answer: he is not lying, but he is not neutral either. He runs Microsoft AI. Microsoft is spending tens of billions building AI. When the most senior AI executive at Microsoft says AI replaces all white collar work in 18 months, that statement justifies the spending, pressures every CEO to buy AI now, and moves the stock in the Microsoft favor. It's the same pattern as the Indian IT CEO, just reverse. Indian CEO understate AI's impact to protect their contract. AI executive overstate it to grow theirs. Neither is giving you the neutral truth. Both are talking their books. Your job isn't to believe either one. It's to look at the gap and the position for the most likely outcome, which sits in the middle. And the middle is this: AI will not replace your whole profession in 18 months, but it will replace specific tasks inside your profession faster than you are comfortable with. The accountant doesn't disappear. The one who only does data entry does. The lawyer doesn't disappear. The junior who only does document review does. The marketer doesn't disappear. The one who only writes first draft does. It's not profession level replacement, it's the task level replacement, and that distinction is the entire game. So here is what you actually do. Three things, write this down. 1. Audit your job at task, not title. List every task you did at work last week. Mark each one. Can a current AI tool do this in under 5 minutes? The yes column is your risk. The no column is your moat. Do this exercise this weekend. It will tell you more about your job security than any headline. 2. Move up the task ladder deliberately. AI is coming for the routine, repeatable, computer-based task first. What's safe is judgment, client relationship, ambiguous problem, and directing the AI itself. Become the person who operates the AI, not the person whose task the AI operates. 3. Stop waiting for certainty. One side says 18 months, the other says the evidence isn't there, and while everyone argues about when, the smartest people in your office are quietly learning the tools now. You don't need to know the exact date the wave hits to learn how to swim. The uncertainty isn't reason to wait, it's the window. Let me bring this home. Suleyman gave white collar work 18 months. He might be right, he might be off by 5 years. Nobody knows the precise timeline. Not him, not me, not any researcher. But here is what we do know today. India built its economy on exactly the work now in the conversation of automation. That foundation won't vanish in 18 months, but it will change underneath your feet, and the people who change with it will be fine. The people who wait for a guarantee will not. The 18 months clock might be marketing. The direction of travel is not. So don't argue about the clock. Use it. 18 months is either the time you have to become irreplaceable or the time you have to do nothing and find out the hard way. Same 18 months, two completely different outcomes. The only variable is what you do starting today. If this gave you the full picture, both the fear and fact, subscribe. Most channel only give you only the scary quote. Because the scary quote gets the click. I would rather give you the quote and the evidence and the plan. Share this with someone in a white collar job who need to hear both halves. Not to scare them, to get them moving. I will see you in the next one.